Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to download video effects for free from ProductionCrate website. I have received messages and emails that this website is not free and also registration is paid. And now let me show you how to download video effects for free. Just make sure to type in, for example, explosions free. Use this word, free, and this website will give you free items to download. Then click on any video effect and select MOV format and hit on download. As you see, it's working and downloading already. You will be able to download daily 5 free video or sound effects from this website. But you won't be able to download anything if you are not registered here. And now let me show you how to register on ProductionCrate, because I have also received messages and comments that you should pay to register. Click on register button here. And now you have some options here to choose, but everything seems paid and you thought you have to pay. But let me show you one cool thing. Uncheck this button here, donate $15, and now you are able to register for free. Click on get started and simply register on ProductionCrate. Hope I have answered to the people who emailed me that this website is all paid and there is no free video effects to download, and also the registration is paid. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.